Alright guys, so what you do is you connect the hose and everything. Good girl. So it depends on what ends you use. Hello my friends and welcome to Scott Thomas Reviews. Today we're taking a look at this big, gigantic, full of tons of accessories pet grooming kit. So this is the Pro S1 and we're going to unbox it, show you guys what you get, and test it out. Alright guys, I love the white and orange. That is such a unique contrast that you don't see too often. So this is the unit. It is very interesting compared to others, which is nice. You can push here to lift open. You got your filter in the side there. You got a filter right there. You got your little bays right in there. You can open this up for cleaning. I love this. It's just unique. It's something you don't see every day. And take a look at this professionalism. Look at this. Look how they have everything neatly organized. From all your different extension ends. Wow. Your different brushes and combs. So you would take this and you would connect this, and then you can add your extension end on the top. You also have your clippers inside here as well. Wow, they make this simple. You got your length. Wow. So once you connect it, it'll have power when you connect it with your actual tank. Nail filer. I mean, you got everything in here. Don't forget, guys, under this tray, you also have your other accessories. You have your accessory tray, you got your hose, and here you can see now inside all that fur. So it does work great. Your on and off button and settings are in the center there.